In this video, I'm going to show you how to get and use Gravatars in your WordPress blog. Gravatars are globally recognized avatars, and it allows you to place this avatar beside posts in blogs and other sites. If you haven't got a Gravatar already, it's very easy to get one. Just come here to gravatar.com. And if you have a WordPress.com blog, then you can sign up and you're automatically enrolled. So just put in your WordPress.com username and password. So I'll just do that for mine here. And then log in. If you don't have a WordPress.com blog, then it's quite easy to sign up for a Gravatar account. All you do is enter your email address and they'll send you a link to that email address. You click on it, you enter your username and password, and then hey presto, you're signed up. Okay, once you're signed up and logged in, you can upload an image that you're going to use as your Gravatar. So what you can do, click here, and then you can either use an image off the internet, you can use your webcam or a previously uploaded image, or probably the most common way of doing it is to upload one from your computer's hard drive. So let's just do that now and browse to find where the file is. And this window opens up, and this is the Gravatar I'm going to use, which is a picture, and it's this one here, new video for you JPEG. So click there to open it, and then click on next, and there's a photo. This isn't what I look like, but it'll do for these purposes. And what you can then do is center the image or get it looking like you want the image to look like. So there we go, that looks alright. And then click here on crop and finish. Then you want to choose a rating for your Gravatar. As you can see here, a G-rated Gravatar will display on all websites with any audience type. PG, you can have a rude gesture or something. R, you see harsh profanity, and X-rated, well, this guy's wearing clothes, so I think we can say it's a G-rated avatar. And there we go, that's all sorted. So that's the first stage all done. So I can now log out, and then I can get it all set up on my WordPress blog, which is the next stage. By default, all the latest versions of WordPress have the ability to use Gravatars built into them, but you might need to modify some templates to make them work. So the easiest way to activate Gravatars on your WordPress blog is by using a plugin, and the one that I recommend is this one, Easy Gravatars by Dougal Campbell. And you can either install it from the plugins menu here, or if you come here to the wordpress.org site, Easy Gravatars is the one to search for. And once it's activated, it will mean that when people make posts, and in particular when they make comments on your WordPress blog, then the Gravatar will show up. Let me just demonstrate here. If I come here to posts, and I'll make a new post, add new, and I'm going to say Gravatars are cool, and I'm just going to say here Gravatars are cool. And when I preview it, you'll see it's got my Gravatar up there in the corner. Now, as I've made this post, you can see that it's not actually showing up my Gravatar. However, let me just post this and I'll show you what else happens. Okay, let's publish this post. There we are, Gravatars are cool. Now I'm going to log out and I'm going to log in as another user. I set up another user called Jane. And I'm going now to get her to comment on this particular post, and you'll see her Gravatar. If I click here, copy, open up a new tab. Now you can see it's got her Gravatar up there as well. Click on here to comment. I'm going to have her say yes they are. And there you go, you can see it's posted her Gravatar. Now if I get her, if we go to dashboard and have her make a post, what's your Gravatar look like? Comment here. We'll publish that. And now I'm going to log out as Jane and log back in as admin. And again, and I'll post a comment. And there you go. There's my Gravatar as well. And everybody who posts a comment on your blog will leave their Gravatar, and when you post comments on other people's blogs, you can leave your Gravatar as well. So there you go, that's how you can get and use Gravatars with your blog.